like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paperboard. So let's get started. First we will take a craft paper and fold it in triangle. Fold it tightly and fold it again like this way. And bring this one part down. Fold it in half. And bring this down like this way. Same way with this one. And fold this part like this way. And fold it inside. And the board is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.